I found a no experience needed work from home job and a couple very entry level remote jobs. Two of these easy work from home jobs will train you, and two will either provide equipment or give you a technology stipend. So if you've done customer service, maybe you've worked at a dealership or auto repair shop, or you've dealt with medical records, check out these opportunities. So the first job I want to share is an entry-level work-from-home job that will train you and give you all the equipment you need. It comes to us from Endurance Warranty. They're a well-established extended auto warranty provider that's been around since 2006. They're looking for a mechanical claims adjuster to work full-time remotely anywhere within the United States. I did not come across any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. They offer a really nice suite of benefits, including paid training, computer equipment provided, and an internet stipend. So in this job, you'll be responsible for investigating, evaluating, and negotiating minor to complex vehicle repair claims and accurately determining coverage and liability. So that means you'll take about 50 to 70 inbound calls on a regular basis, adjudicating and authorizing claims within your dollar limit authority. You'll review and determine claims based on the reported fact scenario given by the repair facility submitted through the online portal and collect and verify all diagnostic information provided by the repair facilities. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do on a regular basis. You'd be a great fit for this job if you have a little bit of experience working at a dealership and or independent auto repair shop, a little bit of automotive repair procedures, process, parts, and repair costs knowledge, and a little bit of proven success negotiating and problem solving. It's a plus you have experience in ProDemand, AllData, and Carfax. It's also a plus you have call center experience, and it's a plus you have experience with power sports. And we can see on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $21.64 up to $23 per hour. So our next entry-level work-from-home job is with the company ShopMy. They were founded in 2020, and they help influencers and bloggers create digital storefronts. Today, they have an opening for a product support associate. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And what you're going to do in this job is assist the creator support team in managing inbound support requests from creators, ensuring timely and accurate resolution. You'll troubleshoot technical issues and escalate complex cases to product and engineering teams while documenting and maintaining accurate records of product issues, recurring trends, and user feedback. So this is a customer service kind of position. And what they want from you is a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience and a little bit of experience in customer support, product operations, or related roles. And they tell us internships and entry-level experience is welcome. You need to be comfortable using Google Suite, Microsoft Office, and Zoom. You're eager to learn new systems such as Zendesk, Intercom, or Linear, and you're a team player with a customer-first mindset. Now, you get bonus points if you meet any of these qualifications. They're just bonus points. They're not required. Read through them. If you meet any of them, make sure to include them on your resume. They offer a really nice suite of benefits, including a technology stipend, which you will get after you've been hired. And when it comes to the salary, I'm just scrolling around to see if they share the salary, and I don't see it anywhere on this job description. I want to take a quick peek at the application, and scrolling through the application, I do not see the salary indicated here either. But based on my experience looking at similar roles in the customer service area, I'm going to say this job could pay anywhere from $18 to $22 per hour, but I can't guarantee that's how much you'll make in this position. You'll have to work it out with them. So now on to a no experience required work from home job, and it comes to us from VRC Companies. So VRC is the acronym for Vital Records Control, and that's what this company does. They provide a secure, climate-controlled off-site physical storage for business records, historical artifacts, and medical files. And they've been operating since 1988. They're looking for a release of information specialist to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., anywhere within the United States. This is a full-time remote job that will cross-train you in other areas within the company. And as far as actual training for this position, they tell us you must complete required training within the allotted time frame. Now, they're not saying what the time frame is for this training, but I have a feeling it'll be a Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 kind of thing, but you'll have to confirm that with them. So in this job, you're going to pull medical records for whomever is requesting those medical records. And that could be medical facilities, attorneys, and Medicare and Medicaid governmental entities. And you'll pull those records while keeping accurate records and abiding by HIPAA regulations. So for this position, what they're looking for is someone who has a high school diploma. A degree is preferred, but it's just preferred. It's not required. And they also prefer but don't require you have prior experience with ROI fulfillment. And in case you don't know, ROI is the acronym for Release of Information. They prefer you have basic knowledge of medical records and HIPAA. They also prefer you have prior experience with EHR and EMR platforms. They also prefer you have basic knowledge of a variety of office equipment, such as scanners and microfilm readers and printers, and they desire you are bilingual. And then, of course, you need all your typical soft skills you need for just about every job. And as far as the salary, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $15 to $18 per hour. So hopefully one of these easy work from home jobs works out for you. Remember, 2 of them will train you and 2 of them will provide you equipment or a tech stipend. And good luck to all of you who apply. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.